Fear of getting judged. I think this is the biggest ever fear that anyone can get. Fear of being judged. Today in this particular video, I am going to be talking about how can you overcome this fear of getting judged. So first thing is that you need not bother about people judging you, because I feel that this thing is not into your control and this is something which is unavoidable. And until and unless you are passionate about doing something and you want to learn something, you want to grow, then fear of getting judged should not bother you, because this is something irrelevant. Because even if you're not going to do anything, people are going to as usual do their work of judging you. So no matter what, you're getting judged for anything you do. Another thing which I feel they may be fearful about is fear of failures or fear of making mistakes. And there is nothing new in making mistakes. यार बचपन में तो होमवर्क करते करते भी मिस्टेक्स हो जाती थी, एग्जाम्स में भी मिस्टेक्स करते थे, तो इतना जब लाइफ के साथ कुछ करते हैं, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग विथ योर ओन लाइफ, यू आर ट्राइंग समथिंग न्यू, you ought to make mistakes. You make mistake no matter what. If you even see so many videos on not making mistakes, if you try to even see that how can you avoid so and so mistakes, and I'm starting with so and so particular thing, there is nothing going to be such thing that is going to stop you from making mistakes. Mistakes are part and parcel of life. So expect the mistakes that are going to happen with your life. Even you can fail at something, so that is completely okay. You need not bother about you fail or your mistakes before trying something. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा यार, फेल हो जाओगे, मिस्टेक्स हो जाएगी, कुछ और स्टार्ट कर लेंगे, यू कैन स्टार्ट ओवर अगेन, बट एटलीस्ट यू वोंट हैव दैट thing into your mind that in spite of being passionate about something, you did not even give it a try. Now I feel that until and unless your family and your close friends support you and you are passionate about your thing, then nobody can stop you, and at least your family should help you. And if that is okay, everything is okay. Now all these things are secondary. Your mistakes, failures, fear of getting judged, that's completely okay. Now that's how you learn, then that's how you get experiences. That's nothing new. Every successful person has a different story to tell about their fear of failures, and they have learnt about those failures. So why can't you and me? Yes, we also can do that thing. So I'll just suggest you that if you are passionate about something, you need to just think about two things. That is, what are you passionate about, and how are you going to do that thing. That's it. These two are the main things that you are going to think about whenever you are starting something new. These are the two things that you have to completely think about. And third thing is when. So there's no answer for when. The right time is now, today itself. There is no right time, there is no perfect time, and there is no perfect you to start something new. There needs to be a passion, and there needs to be a complete support from your family. Then all these things of fear of getting judged or doing mistakes or getting even failed for something doesn't matter. Lastly, just remember that the more you challenge yourself, the more you put yourself into certain uncomfortable situation, then you really grow differently, you evolve differently. So I believe that you need to take up some challenges, you need to take some risk, and just start. Don't think about anything. All these things are secondary. Now just think about two things: what is to be done and how that thing is to be done. That's it. No matter what, you are going to do well. Now even after listening to this video, if you do not try to give it a try to your own idea, then that idea itself is wrong. So drop that idea, just start off whatever thing you feel is right for you. And one more thing you have to do for me is share this video to as many people as possible, because this might help them. Maybe this might motivate them to start up something which they really like and which they really want to do, but they just are stopping themselves because of all these things, because of getting judged or some fear of doing some mistakes or something like that. So that's it guys in this video from my side. So let me know your input on this video into the comment box, so that I feel motivated to make more such videos and help you out for many such ideas, and we together can grow I don't know, many times. So soon I will see you in the very next video. Till then, you take care of yourself and bye bye guys.